morning. The topic is standard I/O interfaces. We completed a serial port and a parallel port. Now standard I/O interfaces. A different interface may have to be designed for every combination of I/O device and computer, resulting in many different interfaces. So for every different type of I/O devices may have to design different type of interfaces. The most practical solution is to develop standard interface signals and protocols. The two buses are interconnected by a circuit which we will call a bridge. Hope you know, bridge means connecting two buses or two LANs. In computer network we call it as for connecting two LANs or two networks we use bridge. The translate the signals and protocols of one bus into those of the other. So we want to connect. You see, bridge, general meaning of bridge is to connect two different networks, right? Here the two buses are interconnected by a circuit which we will call a bridge. If you can look for a road by seeing road, what are the necessity of bridge? To connect the road of one side to another side, or for transmitting or for transmit the vehicles through that, right? Like only here for connecting two different types of buses also we use a bridge which is used to transfer the data between two buses. That translate the signals and the protocols of one bus into another bus. The different standard I/O interfaces are PCI bus, SI bus and USB. These three are the standard I/O interface. First, PCI. What is meant by PCI? Peripheral component interconnect. I hope you know peripheral devices. So peripheral component interconnect. SCSI, small computer system interface. You hope you all know USB, universal serial bus. USB, peripheral component interconnect, small computer system interface, universal serial bus. An example of a computer system using different interface standards is look like this. See here, first all those lines are called it as buses which are capable of transmitting the data between the devices. Okay, here first we have a processor bus. The processor bus connect with the main memory, processor and bridge. See, there is a bridge between the processor bus and the PCI bus. So we use a bridge between these two buses. Bridge. This PCI bus consists of additional memory, SCSI controller, Ethernet interface, USB controller, ISA interface. Okay, this SCSI controller may contains again SCSI bus, which consists of disk controller, disk 1, disk 2, like this. Disk controller may consist of so many number of disks, and CD-ROM controller which contains CD-ROM. USB controller may contains video, keyboard, game. ISA contains IDE disk. So here just you observe, for connecting different types of buses we need to use a bridge, right? It is just like that. Any number of devices we have to connect. So bus is used to share or used to transmit the data between the devices. Next, see ISA. Here we use ISA interface. So ISA means industry standard architecture. Industry standard architecture. IDE means integrated device electronics. Integrated device electronics. The PCI standards defines an expansion bus on the motherboard. CSI and USB are used for connecting additional devices both inside and outside of the computer box. First one is peripheral component interconnect bus, PCI bus. We have to know about PCI bus. The PCI bus is a good example of a system bus that grey out of the need for standardization, right? It supports the functions found on a processor bus but in a standardized format that is independent of any particular processor. Okay, devices connected to the PCI bus appear to the processor as if they were connected directly to the processor bus. They are assigned addresses in the memory address space of the processor. Once again, PCI bus is a good example of a system bus grew out of the needed for standardization. For standardization, we have to use this. It supports the functions. What are different types of functions found in a processor bus? It supports, but it is a standardized format that is independent of any process, any particular process. Based upon the particular process, the formats are vary. Devices connected to the PCI bus appear to the processor as if they were connected directly to the processor bus. They are assigned addresses in the memory address space of the processor. How data will transfer? When a processor specifies an address and requests a read operation from the main memory, the memory responds by sending a sequence of data words. Starting at the address. Similarly, during a write operation, the processor sends a memory address followed by a sequence of data words to be written in the successive memory locations starting at the address. So, read and write operations. How can we perform read and write operations? Means, if you want to read something, you need to send a starting address from the main memory. So when a processor specifies an address and requests a read operation from the main memory, the memory responds by sending sequence of data words starting at the address. So wherever you start and how many number of words you need, that number of words are transferred sequentially. Read. And the write operation means you have to place some of the words into main memory. You have to specify the starting address. From that starting address, they are stored sequentially in the main memory. That is write operation. The PCI designed primarily to support this mode of operation. A read or write operation involving a single word is simply treated as a burst of the length 1. The use of a PCI bus in a computer system is look like this. See, this is a straight line is a PCI bus which are connected with a disk, printer, Ethernet interface, main memory, PCI bridge, and it connects a host. Okay, lines are represented always with bus. Buses are always represented with lines, straight lines. The PCI bridge provides a separate physical connection for a main memory. See, you observe here, The PCI bridge is directly connected with the main memory. For electrical reasons, the bus may be further divided into segments connected via bridges. However, regardless of which bus segment a device is connected to, it may still be mapped into the processor or memory space. The data transfer signals on the PCI bus is given as the data transfer signals in PCI bus is CLK, that is nothing but a clock, 33 megahertz or 66 megahertz clock frame sent by the initiator to indicate the duration of transmission. I mean how much amount of time or duration or how much length. AD address 32-bit address data lines, which may be optionally increased to 64 based upon our requirement. C/BE 4 command byte enable lines 8 for 64 bus. Next, IRDY or TRDY, initiator ready. RDY means ready, initiator ready or target ready signals. IDSEL, integration device select. These are the signals which are used in PCI bus. Next, device configuration. Device configuration of PCI bus. The PCI simplifies the process by incorporating each I/O device interface, a small configuration ROM memory, ROM memory that stores information about that device. The configuration ROMs of all devices are accessible in the configuration address space. The PCI initialization software reads 3 ROMs whenever the system is powered up or reset. In each case, it determines whether the device is a printer or keyboard or Ethernet interface or any disk controller. Okay, this is device configuration. Then electrical characteristics of PCI bus. Electrical characteristics. The PCI bus has been defined for operation with either a 5 volts or 3.3 volts power supply. The motherboard may be designed to operate with either a signal system. Connectors on expansion boards are designed to ensure that they can be plugged only in a compatible motherboard. Okay. Next, SCSI bus. SCSI bus, small computer system interface. Small computer system interface. SCSI stands for small computer system interface. First point, it refers to a standard bus defined by the ANSI, American National Standards Institute, ANSI. This is one of the standard organization for computers under the designation X3.131. Okay, this is one of the ANSI. We have ANSI, American National Standards Institute. Okay, this is one of the standard organization. In the SCSI bus is approved or defined by ANSI. In the original specification of the standard, devices such as disks are connected to a computer via 50 wire cable, which can be used 25 meters in length and can transmit data at rate up to 5 Mbps, megabytes per second, Mbps, megabytes per second. The original specification of the standard device such as disks are connected to a computer via 50 wire cable which is can be length 25 meters length and can transfer data rate 5 megabytes per second. An SCA bus may have 8 data lines in which case it is called a narrow bus and transfer data 1 byte at a time. A wide SCSI bus has 16 data lines and transfer data 16 bits at a time. Okay, I mean 2 bytes. The SCSI bus standard has undergone revisions and its data transfer capability has increased very rapidly, almost doubling every 2 years. Okay, SCSI 2, SCSI 3, and these are the versions every year. The capability of the capability are increased twice. See, the SCSI standard has undergone many revisions, means many versions of the SCSI bus are released, and its data transfer capability is increased very rapidly, almost doubling every 2 years. See, every 2 years the data transfer capability of SCSI bus are double. Okay, SCSI 1, 2, 3 have been defined, and each has several options. The different SCSI bus signals are, see here, dB data lines, dB bracket P parity bit for the data bus, BSY busy, SEL selection, CRD control or data, MSG message, REQ request, ACK acknowledgement, IO input or output, ATN attention, RST reset. See, these are the different types of bus signals which are used in SCSI bus. Okay, small computer system interface, small computer system interface. Okay, these are the different types of signals which are used for SCSI bus. One more time, data, dB means data lines, dBp means parity bit for data bus, busy, BSY, CRD, that is nothing but control or data, MSG means message, REQ, it's nothing but request, ACK means acknowledge, IO means input or output, ATN means attention, and RST means reset.